What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you another 3 free mint NFT projects. I think they have a really good potential. At the time of recording this video, I think they are most hyped upcoming NFT free mint projects. But before I show you the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called We Puffy, or We Are All Going to MarsMallow, and it's a free mint. They're gonna have 5,000 supply. This project at the very early stage, they only have a little over 3,000 followers, and looks like this is AI generated art. Recently there was another drop, something similar to this, and it did very well. So I think this project also has the same potential, and since this project at very early stage, I think it's not too late to get a whitelist spot, and they also have a pre-mint link in here as well. And if we go to their website, and then if we scroll down, and looks like, and I don't know if that's true, but they were featured on CoinDesk, Telegraph, Decrypt, Bankless, and Bitcoin Magazine. So then if we scroll down again, free mint, 5,000 supply, and then join our community, and you can follow them on Twitter. And looks like they're trying to create their own ecosystem. They're gonna have Puff token, and it's gonna be decentralized autonomous organization. And this is just their different art, and then stay tuned for more info. So this is one of the projects that I think has a really good potential, and it's at the very early stage. Then the second project, it's called The Devs Free Mint. They're gonna have 7,770 NFTs. At the time of recording this video, they have 51,000 followers and a lot of known people in NFT space following this project, influencers and etc. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting a lot of interaction. It's like crazy engagement. Like, look at this post was posted on February 20th, and they have 39,000 likes and 36,000 retweets. And if we scroll down more, as you can see, like this one right here, it was on the 27th, and it already has almost 8,000 likes and 7,000 retweets. So I think this project has a huge potential. I don't think it's going to be easy to get a whitelist spot, but I will do my best, get into their Discord, and maybe see and participate if they'll have any events or anything like that to get a whitelist spot for this project. And then the last project, it's called The 16th Free Mint, coming soon. So they have a website and a Discord. If we open up the website, this is what you're going to be presented, and once you're going to press on hands, it's just going to take you to their Discord. And at the time of recording this video, they have almost 19,000 followers. And if we scroll down, it's not getting a whole lot of engagement, but maybe it's a good thing at the same time. It's not going to be that hard to get a whitelist spot, but again, I don't think it's going to be that easy as well. So this is 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I'm trying my best to get a whitelist spot for all of them. And all the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm going to leave links in the description below, and thanks for watching.